స్వామి శ్రీ వెంకటేష్ చైతన్యానంద గారిని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను.
A great revolutionary, a great hero of Bharat Mata. A great hero are rarely born to the womb of the mother. The mothers of India, the mother India and the Bharat Mata, who are struggling through so many years under different imperial slavery or imperial rule, she gave birth to a great hero. Unfortunately, this hero is unsung hero. Very less people know about Bhagat Singh Ji. But those whosoever people know about Bhagat Singh Ji, the first thing comes in the mind is revolution, Kranti. And fortunately, the director's name is also Kranti. What a coincidence that Bhagat Singh Ji wants a director named as Kranti. His whole philosophy and his whole ideology was all about revolution, Kranti. I urge people that kindly read the last diaries, last 2 years of our great Indian, our great Akhanda Bharat hero. Is not just India's hero today. This hero is shared between 4 countries today. He is also the hero in Lahore. Today he is also the hero in Pakistan and Bangladesh, also in India and the subordinate. One must read the last diaries of Bhagat Singh Ji. In his last 2 years of prison, he has written great pearls of wisdom. I quote one of the lines from that diary. He used to say, if you want to preach happiness, if you want to preach peace, if you want to preach universal brotherhood, he is the first revolutionary to talk, after Vivekananda, Swami Vivekananda, he is the another revolutionary who is talking of universal brotherhood, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That whole universe is nothing but we all are brothers. And if you want to preach this, the very first thing is you have to talk against inquest. You have to talk against injustice. You have to talk against which is untruth. You cannot suffer like this. He is the one who gave motivation for independence. He is the hero who has brought freedom to India without a charkha. Charkha didn't bring, I'm very sorry, Charkha didn't bring independence, but it was our great martyr, our great hero, Shri Bhagat Singh Ji, Shri Subhash Chandra Bose Ji. These were the great revolutionaries, and because of their hard work, because of their vision, they brought great success to Bharat Mata. He used to always say, I cannot see my mother, means I cannot see my Bhu Mata, my Bharat Mata suffer. So everybody must talk, everybody must speak for his rights, everybody must speak for his freedom, everybody must speak for the universal peace, everybody must speak for the universal brotherhood. That was our great hero, Shri Bhagat Singh Ji. A young boy at the age of 17, he started writing great poems. He started writing great adhyatmic, most of us know only his the freedom fighting and the revolutionary part, but he was a great intelligent person, he was a great spiritual person, and Bhagavad Gita, Sanatan Dharma, Vishwa Bandhutva, means universal brotherhood, motivated him. Just before his birth, Swami Vivekananda had left his body. Swami Vivekananda's teachings had inspired him a lot. So he adopted socialism. Many philosophers influenced him, from Bertrand Russell to many Western philosophers of socialism. And that socialism was not just a theoretical, which are there in other countries, but he brought into practice. He wanted society to be united. He wanted our Indians to be free, so our thoughts can be free, our rights, he is the one who's fought for the Indians' rights. Now we are free, we can express ourselves. Today all the movies and arts or literature can express because it has freedom. So this man, this young boy who left, or who was, the cruel, brutal British Raj hung him at the age of 23, a young boy who started his mission from the age of 16. His only vision was, my Bharat Mata, my Bhu Mata should be free. All the Indians must be free. And this is a great revolutionary our Bharat Mata has produced. So I'm very, very thankful to this whole team, Kranti, the hero, and all the team of these artists. So my great salute to not only Bhagat Singh ji, but to also to you, to bring him again into life. Because today only one man has been leader who is standing on our every currency and everywhere. But we need this man, our Bhagat Singh ji, to be in everybody's minds. He should be inspiration of all youths and olds and youngs. So thank you, Kranti, for making another Kranti to bring Shri Bhagat Singh ji into public life. Dhanyavad. Shri Ram.
Thank you, Swamiji. Thank you so much for your great words.
Please subscribe to Swaraj TV.
Jai Swarajya TV.
జై స్వరాజ్య టీవీ.
జై స్వరాజ్య టీవీ
Please sign up for UBLED.
యూబ్లెట్ యాప్లో సైన్ ఇన్ అవ్వండి, రక్తదానం చేయండి.